Yo, what up guys? So today I'm gonna try to fix my wheel leak. It's leaking air a little bit. I'm gonna try to fix it. Hopefully it works. I'm try to put like some bead sealers or something. If that doesn't work, I'll probably go to like VR wheels or something, get it resealed inside. But yeah, take him to a shop, see what we can do. Alright, let me go ahead and take these off. Alright, I got it off. But yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's leaking air. Probably like 40 psi overnight. I checked and there's really nothing on the tire. There's no punctures or anything. No nails. I brought it to the shop and I submerged it in water and nothing really happened. There's no bubbles. There's nothing. But yeah, I'm guessing it's probably the tire. Hopefully. But if not, it's probably like inside bead. Or the inside, what is it? Seals. Or maybe it could be the stem, I don't know. A valve or whatever. Still brand new. Got a little stretch, somewhat. Can't really see. But yeah, it's a pretty big stretch. Looks whatever. You gotta take it to the shop and see what they say. Well, I already took it to the shop, but I'm gonna see if they could put some extra bead sealers. Alright, so I'm gonna check one last time before I go. I'm gonna spray it with some soapy water in a fucking wheel and tire cleaner. You can see. But yeah, I'm gonna check for the last time. I hope it's fucking soap. Well, I hope it's tired too, so. But fuck. I usually put 80 psi in this. But every morning, you know, it goes down to like probably like 40 psi. It's pretty fucking annoying. Pumping it every time. There's really nothing. Oh, I think I see it. Right here. I think I found the problem. Right there. Right there. Right there. And you can see it. And one right here. Any more? Ooh, I don't know if that's a leak. No, I don't think so. Where else? Stop fucking leaking. But yeah, these are the main spots. Focus. Oh man, look at that shit. No wonder I've been leaking. Last time I checked with soapy water, nothing came out. There's no fucking bubbles, but man, that's crazy. I gotta get that fixed ASAP. I'm gonna head to the shop right now. See if they have fucking bead sealers or something. I'll catch you guys there, I guess. It's in the car now. Let's take it to the shop. Yo, what up, guys? Well, I got a seal from the shop, but I mean the back looks good, but the front's still leaking though. That's crazy. I fucking hate this. I'm gonna have to fucking go bigger tires next time. But yeah. Live with it until I get new tires. But yeah, just put bead sealers. You can see right here, it's like black. Yeah, just put a bunch of those. See if it works, but fuck. I don't know. I didn't record much at the shop, but yeah. I mean, you got some of it, but with this much stretch, you can't get much. Still bubbling. I gotta go a bigger size next time, maybe. But yeah, they got most of the leak, but still leaking still, so shit back. I'll just have to deal with it. Yeah, that's the end of the video. That's all I have. Until next time. Look at that. Man, can't wait until she's back on the road. She looks good. I'm gonna have to go lower in the rear a little bit. She's beautiful. The front is like perfect. Gotta go a little lower. I didn't really fix anything, to be honest. But yeah, she looks good though.
I think I'm gonna fucking squirt!
She looks fucking good. Look at her. The front looks good with that camera too. But the rear, I don't know. It's alright. Maybe add more. I'm just playing. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video. See y'all later. What up, guys? Alright, so this is the next day. It's kind of like an update. So I tested earlier the PSI and it was holding here, so surprisingly about 80 right there. Yep, it's an update. Things good now. Yeah. Alright.
It's from right there.